another video. Hey, I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. It took me like 3 days of work I had to do, but we're back, man. Hey, I got a special one for y'all today. It's a blizzard going on, and we gonna drive. Let's get on with this cold start. Oh, where's my key? Welcome back, y'all. Hey, if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate the support. And if you're a new viewer, this is a channel where we do car content and we try food places out. Speaking of food places, I got a special one for y'all today. It's a new place. I've never been to it, so we about to try it out for the first time ever. And it's because of this comment right here. I'm gonna figure out how to add all of that. But as y'all can see, there's a blizzard going on. Whoa, just got all that snow in my car. But yeah, there's a blizzard going on, but that don't stop the grind. The grind don't stop. I should put my car in fun mode, turn the traction control off. This is what it's like daily driving a V8 Mustang. Yeah, this place is called Crimson Coward. And I don't know what made them choose that name, but it's a chicken place. Hopefully it's a good chicken place. We fishing for that 10 out of 10 chicken. Please don't spin, please don't spin. All right. Yeah, remember in one of my videos I said Michigan got 3 seasons. It got winter, what the fuck, and then summer. See, this is what the fuck, because yesterday it was just sunny out and now it's snowing and we're supposed to get 7 inches or something. So I gotta hurry up and do this video because I'm not driving in that one. Tunnel. Ooh, sideways. Man, so far. There's a freeway crowded. And let me know if y'all like the new view. I got a hat clip. I'm using my hat. I feel like this view is much better. Oh, is that a car sideways? Buddy. Well, make sure y'all get y'all tires, man. That won't happen to you. I am going the wrong way. To the left. I gotta make another left. I got the hat on. Obstruction of view while snowing. Crazy. Don't report me to the police, please. But yeah, man, I've been waiting to try this place. And thankfully, it's not that far. Or else I would have to wait some more because of the snow. That back up on the freeway. I feel like if you know it's snowing, freeway is the worst place to be. You know, all you gotta do to drive in the snow is know how to counter steer and know how much throttle you should put into your pedal. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, it is not hard to drive in the snow at all. But everybody went to that one house on Hamtramck where they was giving away license. So if you're from Michigan, or Detroit, you know what house I'm talking about. See, like that, I wouldn't do that while traffic is coming. I wouldn't turn on red. And I'm not gonna turn on red. Turn on green. Ooh, sliding. Sliding. If my car gonna slide, can you slide? Like, come on, man. Just make sure you got some good tires. Your tires ain't bald. When the last time you got a tire rotation? I'm talking to you. Just be careful when driving in the snow. I wonder how people feel when like they're struggling to drive in the snow and they all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive car. Here I am, just in my Mustang, just cruising right past them. I'm like, ooh, that boy is reckless. No, I just know my car. Let me get over. Hey, Ford should use this as a commercial. Mustangs don't always crash. You got me. I never crash. Whoa. That was scary. Slow it down. This is this big ass speed bump right here. It's not even a speed bump, but you have to slow down. Last time it messed up my whole exhaust. I had to get it re-welded. So every time I'm here, gotta slow down. Oh, I need one of those. She got one of the suction cups for the windshield. If you ever drove in the snow, let me know in the comments down below. And if y'all like content like this, if this angle is better, let me know. Leave a like. I don't know why I keep playing with my hands. I trust you, I normally don't do that. This road's pretty clear. Oh, that Mercedes showing me up, showing me how to really drive in the snow. You got it, buddy. You got it. Nice and slow. Are they open? We gotta try that place. We got to. Or truck. Y'all, my feet are literally freezing right now. I can't turn up the heat because in my last video I had the heat up for a little bit and it was so loud in the video. So I just gonna have to suffer, get my foot amputated or something. That'd be cool. I drive with my left foot instead of my right. Probably can never drive manual, but what a Mustang. That wouldn't be cool at all. Don't cut my foot. I gotta run that light. Sorry, can't stop in time. Ah. If you're a cop watching this, I didn't run that light. What you talking about? 7 inches of snow, and it'll be all gone in the next few hours. Gotta love Michigan. Let's roll the, nah, let's not roll the windows down. Y'all see that? I gotta wipe that up. I still got my work stuff. I'm glad I didn't have to work today. Probably would have had to call off. That's a long drive. Okay, we actually pulling up on it on my right side, so let me get over. That would have looked better if I had the traction on. Crimson Cower, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. It's a lot of people here. I expected this place to be empty. No, not. It's not Verizon. I don't like Verizon, even though my phone server's in Verizon. Slid right into the spot. Now we're gonna go in. I'm gonna actually try to get some footage of the inside. It's the first time I've been in here, so we're gonna see. Come along with me. I got it. Little thumbnail. That's so weird. It's so weird. Alright, we back. Got it. I got 3 things. Total was a little bit pricey. I wasn't expecting that. Came up to $40 something. But crimson red. Oh, crimson red is the color of my car. Crimson coward. Check out this sandwich. The sando sandwich. I hope this camera doing justice, cause yeah. I think I got this in hot. And I don't think I was supposed to, because I don't want anything spicy. But it looked good. Also came with some extra sauce. But it got sauce on here. It got coleslaw. I think I see some pickles, and it got the sauce on there. Y'all see that? Let's try it. That's definitely spicy. That's hot. But man, I gotta say, the flavor, this is well seasoned all throughout. It's spicy. Definitely should have got medium or something. Let me get another bite. Cause I didn't get no toppings on that. I just got all meat and bread. I like that. That's a 10 for me. If you like spice, you like a chicken sandwich, I would recommend this. All right, let's go to the next item. Here go the fries. And he didn't give me a fork, so I'm knocking him a point off of that. So this could be a 10. I'm gonna have to knock you, because how I'm supposed to eat this? I'm gonna have to get dirty. Okay, I did get this in a medium, the medium heat level, and I gotta say this is more enjoyable than a hot. It feel like a battle to eat the hot sandwich, the hot level. So I like the medium. If you was here and you don't like that spicy, it's not that spicy, get the medium. The fries itself has no seasoning. But the chicken, I guess they was relying on the chicken for the flavor. But I would like to see some seasoning in these fries. Other than that, this is pretty good. I give it an 8, but I'm knocking it off a point, so a 7, because I didn't get a fork. Next, 3 chicken tenders. Baby, look at that. Yeah, that looks good. Now this is a tender by itself. I think this is also in medium heat, if I'm not mistaken. It come with bread, 3 pickles, got ranch. This not for me. And it got the sando sauce. We gonna try a little bite, because this is not mine. it's not spicy at all. I like the spice. I'm definitely a fan of the spice. The spice made it a 10 for me. You just gotta get used to it. The sauce. This is good. This sauce, yeah. That's a 10. That's a 10. 10 with the sauce. And a 10 if you like spicy. Get the hot. Alright guys, I gotta lick my fingers. No napkins, no nothing. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Comment, like. I caught y'all this time. Comment, like, share it, and subscribe. And if you already subscribed, turn on the post notifications so you get a notification when I post.